everyone, thanks for watching. This is Bill, GeoScouter117, coming to you to wish you a happy holiday season. I hope that you and all your friends and loved ones are able to celebrate this year together in the best way possible. It has been a long, rough year for everyone. The pandemic has got us down. We've had some crazy stuff going on in this world. But hopefully this year, at this time of the year, you'll be able to take some time to celebrate with friends and spend time with loved ones and relax and enjoy the holiday season. I hope that everyone is safe and has a wonderful and happy new year. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.